Hello everyone, I am Ayush from Mayur Public School and today I am going to show you the functioning of AI Jarvis, or I should say a natural language UI. So let's get started. So as you can see that we have programmed it in environment Visual Studio Code and use Python programming language for the coding part. Now on the screen you can see that Jarvis has done some training. So why he had done this is because Jarvis uses machine learning and data science for answering our question. So every time I start Jarvis, it will train according to the previously given data to him, and also it takes some amount of data from the internet and train according to it, and it will save a binary file. As you can see, a binary file is saved here. So further in this video I will show you how the functioning of the functions or the features of Jarvis. So I will show you YouTube automation in which I will not touch the keyboard at all. Jarvis will do everything for me, like pause and play of the video, entering in full screen and exiting it, open close commands of program like MS Word, Google automation. Also Jarvis can write a quick note for you, so accessing notepad using Jarvis, generating graph, like Jarvis can generate graph, and my favorite command or feature is extracting NASA news from the NASA. So let's get started. So you can see that Jarvis is not responding to me now is because Jarvis has not received a clap from my end, as Jarvis needs a hot word detection, that is clap. So when I clap, then only Jarvis will start responding to me. So I will clap now.
Jarvis on board, sir.
It has detected the clap.
Initiating all commands. Everything operational, sir.
Hello Jarvis, how are you?
Hello, I am doing well. How can I help you?
Jarvis, tell me the distance between the sun and the earth.
The average distance between the Sun and the Earth is about 93 million miles.
Hey Jarvis, if I travel with the speed of light, how much time it will require to reach Neptune?
It would take approximately 4.4 hours to reach Neptune if you were traveling at the speed of light.
What is Sustainable Development Goals?
The Sustainable Development Goals, SDGs, are a set of 17 goals adopted by the United Nations General Assembly in 2015. The SDGs are a blueprint for achieving a more sustainable future for all. The goals cover a wide range of topics, including poverty, hunger, health, education, gender.
Note down.
Tell me the query. I am ready to write.
Jarvis, you are really good. Open Word.
Launching, sir.
Close Word.
Closing, sir.
Google search photosynthesis.
This is what I found on the web. Photosynthesis, photosynthesis, is a biological process used by many cellular organisms to
So as
convert
you can
light
see that
energy into
Jarvis can
chemical
also
energy,
access
which is
the
stored in
Google.
organic compounds that can later be metabolized through cellular respiration to fuel the organism's activities.
Jarvis, YouTube search 4K video.
This is what I found for your search. Done, sir.
Enter in full screen. Exit full screen. Pause.
Video paused.
Analyze.
Processing.
Generate graph. So till now you have seen the automations and features of the Jarvis. So in this graph feature, you can see that by default Jarvis has created a straight line graph, but if I provide the stats or I share the stats with Jarvis, it will create the graph according to it, like the global warming graph or the increase or decrease in the temperature, altitude, any graph it can create. So till now you have seen it. How fascinating is that you no need to touch your system or any device. Jarvis can do anything for you. It has done YouTube automations very well. You can see it has search on Google, YouTube, etc. And now I will show you my favorite function, that is NASA, extracting NASA news with Jarvis. Exit. Tell me some NASA news. So after I say that tell me some NASA news, Jarvis will ask for the date of which I want the news. So now I will enter the date. I will enter any random date like 2023 slash 03 slash 15.
Extracting data from NASA.
Now it is extracting the data. It takes some time. This is the picture of the news.
Title: Jupiter and Venus converge over Germany.
Like
according to
NASA,
NASA, this was a sky to show the kids. Early this month, the two brightest planets in the night sky, Jupiter and Venus, appeared to converge. At their closest, the two planets were separated by only about the angular width of the full moon. The spectacle occurred just after sunset and was seen and photographed all across planet Earth. The displayed image was taken near to the time of closest approach from Wiltingen, Germany, and features the astrophotographer, spouse, and their two children. Of course, Venus remains much closer to both the Sun and the Earth than Jupiter. The apparent closeness between the planets in the sky of Earth was only angular. Jupiter and Venus have passed and now appear increasingly far apart. Similar planetary convergence opportunities will eventually arise. In a few months, for example, Mars and Venus will appear to congregate just as the Sun sets. Jupiter and Venus Conjunction Gallery, notable submissions to APOD. None.
So, this is the whole features and the functioning of Jarvis. So till now you have seen like how fascinating Jarvis is. He can tell you anything till now that has been there in the internet. So it is a revolutionizing idea of how computers are like linking to the human world. Also, it is very useful to the students at they can ask any homework question or any research project or any theoretical idea with Jarvis and can do one-on-one conversation with him. Even for the people who are facing depression, those people can do one-on-one conversation if they are feeling bored or they are in depression or loneliness. So that's all from my side. Thank you everyone.